3 months ago, I started my dropshipping journey with a simple idea to build a profitable online business from scratch. Fast forward 90 days, and I've managed to earn over $50,000 in revenue. Here's how I did it and the lessons I learned along the way. The first step to my success was selecting a niche with high demand and low competition. I chose a niche based on trending lifestyle products, specifically fitness and wellness. I created my store using Shopify, which made the process simple and professional. I invested in a clean, user-friendly theme and optimized the site for conversions. I started small, running $10-a-day campaigns for specific products. Once I identified winners, I scaled my ad spend. TikTok was a game changer for my business. I ran a mix of paid ads and created short, engaging videos showcasing my products. I partnered with micro-influencers in the fitness niche. Their authentic endorsements helped build trust and drive sales. I worked with reliable suppliers who offered fast shipping and quality products. Ordering samples helped ensure customer satisfaction. Providing excellent support was key. I used chatbots for quick responses and offered refunds or replacements. By the end of the first month, I had made $10,000. Month 2 brought in $15,000, and month 3 soared to $25,000. Success in dropshipping comes from testing products, ads, and audiences consistently. Making $50,000 in 3 months was rewarding. Success requires strategy, patience, and effort. If you're ready to put in the work, you could achieve similar results, or even more.